Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you the simple yet crucial skill of how to open an image in Photoshop so you can begin your creative journey in photo editing. So let's start by launching your Adobe Photoshop, and once it's open, go to File and then click Open. Now browse to the location where your image is stored on your computer, and then select the image and click the Open button. Your image will now appear on the Photoshop workspace, ready for you to work your magic. So you can use Zoom tool on the bottom left to zoom in or out of the image. And then you can use the hand tool to move around the image if it's too large to fit the screen. To close the image, simply go to File, then Close. Don't worry, it won't affect the original image as Photoshop only works on a copy of the image. Remember, save your work regularly to avoid losing progress. And that's it! You now know how to open an image in Photoshop, your gateway to the world of creative possibilities in digital art and photo editing. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to open an image in Photoshop. See you on my next video. Now that you've taken the first step into the realm of Photoshop, let your imagination run wild as you explore the countless tools and techniques to transform ordinary images into extraordinary works of art. Keep practicing, keep learning, and let your creativity soar. Until next time, happy editing and keep creating those stunning masterpieces.